1. What is the primary cause of neonatal hypothermia in preterm infants? Infection, prematurity, lack of fat. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. 2. Which blood test is performed to assess bilirubin levels in neonates? Hemoglobin, total serum bilirubin, white blood cell count, platelet count. The correct answer is total serum bilirubin. 3. What is the most common site for capillary blood sampling in neonates? Heel, finger, arm, thigh. The correct answer is heel. 4. Which vitamin deficiency leads to hemorrhagic disease of the newborn? Vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A. The correct answer is vitamin K. 5. What is the normal length of a full-term neonate? 40 to 50 centimeters, 45 to 55 centimeters, 50 to 60 centimeters, 60 to 70 centimeters. The correct answer is 50 to 60 centimeters. 6. Which condition is characterized by a sunken anterior fontanelle in a neonate? Dehydration, hydrocephalus, infection, trauma. The correct answer is dehydration. 7. What is the Apgar score for a neonate with a strong cry, pink body, active movements and normal breathing? 7, 8, 9, 10. The correct answer is 10. 8. Which of the following is a sign of neonatal hypoglycemia? Jitteriness, poor feeding, lethargy. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. 9. What is the gold standard for diagnosing neonatal sepsis? Blood culture, CRP test, white cell count, urine test. The correct answer is blood culture. 10. When does physiological jaundice usually peak in neonates? 1 to 2 days, 3 to 5 days, 5 to 7 days, 7 to 9 days. The correct answer is 3 to 5 days. 11. Which reflex is absent in a preterm neonate? Moro reflex, rooting reflex, sucking reflex, grasp reflex. The correct answer is Moro reflex. 12. What is the normal capillary refill time in neonates? Less than 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds, 3 to 4 seconds, more than 4 seconds. The correct answer is less than 2 seconds. 13. What is the ideal duration of exclusive breastfeeding? 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 12 months. The correct answer is 6 months. 14. Which antibiotic is commonly used in early-onset neonatal sepsis? Ampicillin and gentamicin, ceftriaxone and amoxicillin, vancomycin and meropenem, ciprofloxacin. The correct answer is ampicillin and gentamicin. 15. What is the hallmark sign of respiratory distress syndrome on a chest X-ray? Ground glass opacities, hyperinflation, patchy infiltrates, pleural effusion. The correct answer is ground glass opacities. 16. What is the most common cause of neonatal hypoglycemia? Prematurity, maternal diabetes, birth asphyxia. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. 17. What is the normal range of head circumference in a full-term neonate? 30 to 32 centimeters, 33 to 35 centimeters, 36 to 38 centimeters, 38 to 40 centimeters. The correct answer is 33 to 35 centimeters. 18. Which condition is associated with delayed clamping of the umbilical cord? Jaundice, polycythemia, iron overload. All of the above. The correct answer is polycythemia. 19. Which intervention is contraindicated in a neonate with congenital diaphragmatic hernia? Nasal oxygen. Positive pressure ventilation with a mask. 4 fluids. Surgery. The correct answer is positive pressure ventilation with a mask. 20. What is the most common congenital infection in neonates? Cytomegalovirus, CMV. Rubella. Toxoplasmosis. Syphilis. The correct answer is cytomegalovirus, CMV. 21. Which of the following is a risk factor for neonatal meconium aspiration syndrome? Prolonged labor. Postterm pregnancy. Fetal distress. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. 22. What is the primary method for preventing neonatal hypoglycemia? Early breastfeeding. 4 glucose. Skin-to-skin contact. Warm environment. The correct answer is early breastfeeding. 23. Which is a clinical sign of necrotizing enterocolitis in neonates? Abdominal distension. Blood and stool. Lethargy. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. 24. What is the common cause of apnea in preterm neonates? Immature central nervous system. Infection. Hypoglycemia. The correct answer is immature central nervous system. 25. Which factor increases the risk of retinopathy of prematurity? Prematurity. High oxygen levels. Low birth weight. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. 26. What is the most common metabolic disorder in neonates? Hypoglycemia. Hypocalcemia. Hyperkalemia. Hyperbilirubinemia. The correct answer is hypoglycemia. 27. What is the ideal temperature for neonatal transport? 35 to 36 degrees Celsius. 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. 38 to 39 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. 28. Which is the primary management for a neonate with transient tachypnea? Supplemental oxygen. Mechanical ventilation. Antibiotics. CPAP. The correct answer is supplemental oxygen. 29. What is the most common cause of neonatal anemia? Prematurity. Blood loss. Hemolysis. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. 30. Which neonates are at the highest risk for intraventricular hemorrhage? Preterm infants. Full-term infants. Large for gestational age. Postterm infants. The correct answer is preterm infants.